You searched how to buy shares of Axos Financial Inc., a digital banking and online financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AX. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy AX, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to trade. Open the platform search and type the ticker AX to find Axos Financial Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for AX. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to place, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may queue as a market or limit order depending on your choice. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view so you can monitor it. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to try the steps shown.